welcome to today's video. My name is Clara and in this episode we explore how NIS2 and confidential computing shape the landscape of cybersecurity and data protection, particularly for businesses and cloud providers in Germany and EU. We also discuss how these technologies fit into the BSI, the Bundesamt für Sicherheit in der Informationstechnik guidelines. Let's get started. Let's first clarify what we mean by NIS2 and confidential computing, and why they are so important for companies and cloud providers. First, NIS2, the Network and Information Security Directive, is a EU directive designed to increase the cybersecurity and resilience of networks and information systems across the European Union. It expands the scope of the original NIS directive, targeting sectors like energy, transport, finance, and healthcare. With stricter enforcement and higher penalties for violations, businesses are now under greater pressure to implement robust security measures and report any incidents. Second, confidential computing refers to the use of isolated encrypted environments for data processing, even while the data is being actively used. The goal is to protect sensitive data for unauthorized access, even if the underlying hardware is compromised. Thrust execution environments, TEEs, such as Intel SGX and AMD SEV, are key technologies in confidential computing. And cloud providers like Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud are already implementing these solutions. But why does it matter? Let's dive into what the NIS2 directive entails and why it matters. NIS2 aims to enhance cybersecurity across the EU by ensuring that organizations implement appropriate security measures. It also introduces stricter reporting requirements for cybersecurity incidents. The key points are the mandatory implementation of security measures, including risk management and incident response, a broader scope than its predecessor, covering more sectors like health, energy, and digital infrastructure. A stronger enforcement mechanisms with higher fines for non-compliance. Affected sectors are critical sectors like energies, transportation, financial services, healthcare, and digital services. Any organization operating in these sectors must comply with these stricter security and reporting obligations. Now we come to the definition and the technological approach. Let's look at what confidential computing offers from a technological perspective. Confidential computing allows organizations to encrypt data while it's being processed, ensuring data privacy and security even when it's actively in use. It's designed to prevent unauthorized access, even by the cloud provider. The technical foundation is that the technology relies on the trusted execution environments, the TEEs, such as Intel Software Guard Extension SGX and AMD Secure Encrypted Virtualizations SEV. These create isolated environments within processors, allowing sensitive data to be securely processed without the risk of exposure. The benefits are that enhanced data security, especially during processing. It helps meet compliance requirements for regulations such as the GDPR, enables trust between parties even in shared cloud environments. Let's compare this NIS2 regularity approach with confidential computing technological solutions. NIS2 mandates the organizational and technical measures that companies must adopt, while confidential computing provides a specific technology to achieve higher level of data security. NIS2 focuses on risk management and incident reporting, while confidential computing emphasizes secure data processing. Security measures and compliance are that NIS2 obligates organizations to implement comprehensive security controls and ensures compliance with cybersecurity standards. Confidential computing offers additional protection by encrypting data in use, which can help businesses meet the security expectations set by NIS2 and GDPR. The integration into existing strategies is also that they need to meet the NIS2 requirements. Organizations need to develop robust security strategies. Confidential computing can be an integral part of these strategies, offering enhanced protection, especially for sensitive data, which is vital for company clients with both NIS and GDPR. Let's dive into what the Bundesamt für Sicherheit in der Informationstechnik, the BSI, says about minimum standards for cloud providers. The BSI guidelines for cloud providers are based on the IT Grundschutz, but they do not require cloud providers to achieve full IT Grundschutz certification. Instead, there is a set of minimum standards that public clients must ensure are met. There is a reference table with approximately 19 criteria outlines that these are minimum requirements. Public clients are responsible for ensuring that these criteria are adhered to. The key areas must be covered. The standard addresses 19 specific areas, including 1. Cloud usage strategy, 2. Security policies for external cloud use, 3. Security concepts for specific external cloud services, 4. Emergency and continuity management, 5. Implementation of security requirements, 6. Handling of subcontractors and external third parties, 7. Jurisdiction, 8. Data processing location, 9. Reporting of security incidents, 10. Data return and detection policies, 12. Integration into the Informationstechnik Management System IESMS, 13. Evaluation of security evidence, 14. Performance assessment, 15. Informations obligations, 16. Multi-factor authentication, 17. Data return at contract, and 18. Data detection at contract, and 19. Use of external cloud services. These criteria must ensure that cloud services are met on a baseline of security and compliance tailored to a public sector needs and expectations. The BSI emphasizes the protection of critical infrastructure as data security as core elements of compliance. It has published guidelines on implementing security measures that align with this tool, stressing the importance of secure processing environments for sensitive data. BSI on confidential computing the BSI acknowledges the potential of confidential computing as an additional layer of security. It recommends integration TEs in a security critical sectors like healthcare and finance to ensure that sensitive data remains protected during processing. For companies operating in Germany, confidential computing into a secure a practical step toward meeting both NIS2 and BSI guidelines. Organizations in sectors like healthcare and finance and energy, where the protection of sensitive data is paramount, can benefit significantly from this technology. But now we come to the conclusion: confidential computing and the NIS2 directive can both play critical roles in shaping the future of cybersecurity for companies across Germany and the EU. The NIS2 sets the regulatory framework, demanding that companies implement stringent cybersecurity measures and report incidents, and the confidential computing provides the technology to secure sensitive data during processing, helping organizations meet regulatory demands like GDPR and NIS2. As a cloud provider and enterprises move forward, we can expect confidential computing to become a key element in ensuring data privacy and security, especially in highly regulated sectors. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like. Also check out the awesome videos from my friends on similar topics. They got some great content that dives even deeper into cloud security and compliance.